I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Got another unboxing. This one is just an Amazon unboxing. I got 2 packages, so we're going to go ahead and get right on into it. Let's see what I got. I ordered a couple more. I don't know if the other one's coming today or not, so we'll see. This one only has the one. I know what this is because I needed another one because I loved the 10 so much. Oh gosh, guys. There we go. We're just ripping into it. Yep. So it is my acrylic brush. It is by Model 1. We'll take it out here. This is by Model 1. I love it. It's so pretty. And this one is a size 12. So I liked my 10 so much that I decided I'd get a size 12. That's what this one is. So I don't want to... Well, I'm going to use that anyways in a little bit. So we're just going to keep it out. If anything, I'll just take it in here. Okay, guys. And this is the second package. Like I said, the first one was my Model 1 acrylic brush, size 12. And the second one, of course, is from Amazon. I know what this is, and I needed some super bad. So let's go ahead and tear that open and take them on out. So these are tips from Savvyland. This one is these are all full covers. And of course, we will open them and see exactly which ones. There's another one from Savvyland and another one. They're all different shapes. So I got square, I got coffin, and I have, I forgot almond, I think. Well, obviously, I only got 3. That's what I'm saying. I think the other one might be in the mail today. We will find out. So, let's go ahead. I'm going to set that one to the side. Let's get this plastic off here from all of these first. They definitely secure it, don't they? I don't mind Savvyland, guys. They are a decent company for me. I've never really had a problem with them. So, yeah. I don't mind buying their products. So, and for the 500 and something tips each, I didn't think it was that bad of a price. So now let's go ahead and, let me go ahead and use my nippers. Well, no, my scissors are right there. Let's go ahead and cut this. And we'll cut this one. I know, it's okay. So, let's go ahead. Get this one also. I'm cutting the box a little bit. That'll be okay. Now, let's go ahead and open them and see which ones is which. I did forget how much these were, so like I said, I will put that in the link on the bottom. So, there's the tips. Those are the medium square. And, of course, it comes with these. I can save these for some of my, my gosh, I can't even talk, guys. My press-on kits. So, again, this is my medium square shaped, 500 pieces. Let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys, like, the C-curve and stuff like that. I don't remember if it had one or not. I couldn't even tell you if I needed to. So, there we go. Put that at the bottom. So hold on here. This one, this is the way it's shaped. Nice. And of course, this way, nice and shaped. And again, I'm getting 550. And like I said, I will have the link on the bottom. That's my mediums. Let's see what this one is. My long stiletto. Let's go ahead and open that one as well. so I can show you all the angles of it. And again, this one's 500 pieces. I'm just going to stick it at the bottom. I like that they still come with cases too. Like these boxes, they're nice. I mean, it's not a fancy box, but it's still a box. That's what these ones look like. Nice curve. And of course, a nice arch. And they are full wells. So these I did get these for my press-ons. So I got those. Now let's open the last one I got here. And I do have, I think, 1 or 2 more coming in. Can't remember right now. And every single one of them, hold on guys, every single one of these packs did come with the alcohol pad and the orange wood sticks. So I can save those and put them in my press-on kits for something I don't have to pay for. So that's a plus. Now let's go ahead and open this one. Now these are the almonds, right? Medium almonds. And like I said, some of them I got in mediums because I didn't have them in long. So, and this one also is 550 pieces. So like I said, some of them didn't come in long, so I could only get them in mediums. So that's what I did. So we'll go ahead and look at this one. And guys, excuse my hands and my fingers. I am putting a set on, so you will have a video on that. I just have another unboxing to do. And then, of course, that arch. So, and these are almost a stiletto to me, the way that they're shaped. But, you know, I guess they are an almond. I mean, they're, let me take 1 and 1. And other than these are long, no, there is a big difference. And don't fall over there. Yeah, there is. These are definitely much pointier. So, okay. I feel better now. My son's girlfriend, she likes the almonds, so I made sure I definitely got some almonds for her. But there's 550 pieces here, 550 pieces here, and 500 pieces here. And I think that's because it's a long. And like I said, guys, every single one came with the alcohol pads and wipes, and orange wood sticks. But like I said, because I do press-ons, I'm just going to put those in my kits. So that's a plus. And then the other thing I got was my acrylic brush from Model 1. In which case, guys, I love them. I have the 10. This is a size 12. I don't know if you get, yeah, right there. And I love these brushes. And they are pinched. But I love these brushes. Look at it. It's so pretty of a rose gold and it goes down. So that was my unbox. Well, I should say this is part of the unboxing. I will have more. But that is the first part of this unboxing. Hi guys, and I was correct. This was in my mailbox. So this is the second half of the unboxing. And again, it's just another Amazon one. But before I open this, I did want to show you guys. It's kind of like a little haul as well. When I went to Hobby Lobby, I found, well, actually, I went to Sally's, and I did get a chrome, in which case I love it, the Moo one. We'll check it out, see how well it does. Then the other thing is, when I went to Hobby Lobby, they were half off. This is like the flat little beads in all different little sizes. This was originally $7.99 and half off. Couldn't beat it, and definitely with spring coming, that's going to be perfect. The other thing I got at Hobby Lobby, in which case we'll see how they work, but I couldn't beat the price as well. Look at all these like same type of rhinestones, all different ABs, you know, colors. And it was at a regular price of $8.99. Couldn't beat it. So I got kind of like the golds, the whites, the blacks, and purples, greens, blues. This will be perfect for spring. This would have been perfect for Valentine's, all these ones. So with all those colors I got from Tickled Pink, these are going to be great. So I just wanted to kind of throw that in with it because I also did that little bit of a haul. So then now let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so I got a couple different things. So first one is the Saviland nails, of course, tips. And this one should, oh, I don't even know. No, these ones should be hopefully my coffin. Because I got the other ones. I think this one should be coffin, but we'll see here in a minute. So let me open. Okay. Go ahead and open it. Yep, coffin. So medium shaped coffin, again, 550. And then, again, they came with that little pack that I'm going to keep, you know, for my press-ons. Because I can always add that to one of my kits. Now, and separate them, because I think there's 10 of those alcohol pads. And let's go ahead and take this off so I can show you guys. But like I said, they've been pretty much consistent with their shapes. So I'm not super disappointed. So they're there. I like the coffins. Nice arch. And of course the C curve. Which is, let me show you this way. There you go. So they're not bad. My nails are awful right now, guys. So, but I am going to end up probably using these on myself later. But that's the first thing. Then I got, there it is. The Beatles. Is this one? Let's see. Can't find it. So Beatles. It's going to be a base coat or a top coat. Gel base and top coat, it says. So, not unless there's 2 in here. Because I thought it was going to be a 2-pack. Yep, it's a 2-pack. Yay. Okay. So, yep, it's the Beatles. It's a, ooh, they're so cold. Top coat and a base coat. And I use the Beatles nail foil glue too, and I like it. So, I thought I'd give them a try for their base and their top coat. So, then the next one is kind of like a personal thing that I thought I'd try out for all us ladies, and we'll see how it works. It's a TikTok trend right now. So I thought, you know, I'll buy one, see what the big hype is, and let you guys know as well. I'm going to put these down so we all can see it. It's that Pure Instincts, that pheromone unisex perfume oil. It was on Amazon. I got it. It's a little roll. Ooh, it actually really smells really good. It smells almost like soap. I mean, it really smells good. But I thought I'd give it a try. Let's check it out, right, guys? So I'll let you know. But that's part of my second haul. And again, like I said, the first one was, and let me grab them here for you guys. So the whole haul was all my Savilands tips. So all the Savilands, the Pure Instinct, and the top coats. And of course, I already used it yesterday. So the Model 1, in which case it's all dirty now. Model 1 acrylic brush. That was my haul, guys. And I've already used that and it's already coming off. Okay, guys. Again, if you guys have not subscribed, I am going to be doing a giveaway if I make it up to 50 subscribers on YouTube. If I make it there, I'm going to do a live giveaway. You know, everyone's name's going to go in it, and I'm going to give a giveaway. So, guys, please subscribe, like, and if you feel generous, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of types of nails you want me to show you guys or do with you guys, all that good stuff. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.